best family cars top 5 picks for 2023. Hello, car enthusiasts and family travelers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our weekly car reviews. Today, we're counting down the top 5 family cars of 2023, chosen for their safety, comfort, space, and much more. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have the perennial favorite Honda Odyssey. This minivan has made its name as one of the best family vehicles for years. Inside, the Odyssey boasts a spacious cabin, comfortable seating, and advanced safety features. Plus, there's an array of family-friendly tech and utility features that you're going to love. Honda truly keeps reliability and convenience in mind. At number 4, we have the Toyota Highlander, a top-ranking mid-size SUV that's perfect for families. Its 3-row seating, outstanding reliability, and top-notch safety features are hard to beat. Plus, it's fuel-efficient for its class, so those long family road trips won't hurt the wallet as much. Coming in at number 3 is the versatile Subaru Outback. This is an excellent choice if you want the space of a wagon with the capability of an SUV. With standard all-wheel drive, top safety scores, and Subaru's EyeSight suite of driver aids, this is a car designed with your family's needs in mind. At the runner-up spot, we have the Ford Explorer. This popular SUV has been a solid family favorite for years. The Explorer boasts plenty of interior space, advanced safety features, and a powerful engine lineup. This SUV provides both comfort and performance. And finally, at number 1, the Chevrolet Traverse. This spacious 3-row SUV takes the crown for the best family car of 2023. It offers one of the roomiest cabins in its class, a smooth and comfortable ride, and a long list of standard features. It's a perfect choice for larger families looking for comfort and reliability. So, there you have it, the top 5 family cars of 2023. We hope this list helps you make an informed decision about your next family vehicle. Remember, the best car for your family depends on your specific needs, so be sure to do your research and test drive before making a decision. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. We'll see you next time for more exciting car reviews. Drive safely, everyone.